Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where dreams meet the road. Today you're about to witness something extraordinary. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome. A jaw-dropping masterpiece worth over $5 million. This isn't just transportation. It's a statement of power, elegance, and pure sophistication. The moment this futuristic beast rolls into view, its presence commands attention. The aerodynamic body glistens with metallic chrome detailing, while hidden LED strips and diamond-cut headlights give it a royal yet modern aura. But the real magic happens when the doors slide open automatically, revealing a world that feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. Step into the living room where comfort meets class. You're surrounded by soft Italian leather seating, a panoramic 4K smart TV that rises silently from the cabinet, and ambient lighting that shifts with your mood. The walls feature handcrafted wood veneer and gold accents, while massive glass windows wrap around you, turning every destination into your personal movie scene. This is not just a lounge, it's a living experience on wheels. Moving into the kitchen, it's pure culinary perfection. A marble countertop stretches elegantly across the space, accompanied by a double sink, touch-controlled induction cooktop, and a built-in refrigerator and oven. There's even a hidden espresso machine and a smart wine cooler that recognizes your favorite bottle. Every cabinet is motorized. One touch and your kitchen comes to life. This is how luxury travelers dine in 2026. Now let's step inside the bedroom. And trust me, this will take your breath away. The centerpiece is a king-size, memory foam bed with temperature regulating sheets and adjustable lighting built into the headboard. The soft glow from the ceiling and the starlight pattern above create an atmosphere of calm and romance. A sliding glass partition reveals a 65-inch TV, while a full closet ensures you never have to compromise on style, even on the road. And then there's the bathroom, a masterpiece of design and comfort. Imagine stepping into a rainfall shower that transforms into a steam spa at the touch of a button. Heated marble floors, an intelligent mirror that acts as a skincare assistant, and a gold-trimmed sink complete this luxurious retreat. It's not a bathroom, it's a wellness spa on wheels. Under the hood, the hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, whisper-quiet performance, supported by solar panels that keep everything running efficiently. Whether you're parked in the desert or by the ocean, this motorhome is always ready. This is not just travel, it's living without limits. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome proves that home isn't a place anymore. It's wherever you park your palace. Welcome to Auto Plus. Subscribe for more stunning reviews of the world's most luxurious machines.